Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini AI for photo editing. Gemini AI provides a suite of powerful tools to enhance your images, making complex edits simple and accessible. You can effortlessly remove distractions, improve lighting, and even generate new elements within your photos. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to transform your pictures with intelligent AI assistance, helping you achieve professional-looking results in just a few moments. To begin, simply open the Gemini application on your smartphone or computer. Once launched, navigate to your photo gallery and select the image you'd like to enhance. Look for the dedicated AI editing section, usually marked with an icon that suggests intelligence or magic. A stable internet connection is crucial for Gemini to access its cloud-based AI capabilities, ensuring all features function smoothly and efficiently for your editing tasks. Gemini offers several core AI editing tools to elevate your photos. The Magic Eraser can effortlessly remove unwanted objects or blemishes, making them disappear as if they were never there. Utilize the Enhance feature for instant improvements in color, contrast, and brightness, giving your photos a professional polish. For more creative edits, Generative Fill allows you to add new elements or expand backgrounds, opening up endless possibilities for your images. For advanced users, experiment with Gemini's various AI styles to give your photos a unique artistic touch. Consider using layers for non-destructive editing, allowing you to make changes without permanently altering the original image data. Once satisfied, save your masterpiece in a high-resolution format to preserve every detail. You can then easily share your beautifully enhanced photos directly from the Gemini application to your favorite social media platforms, or with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.